Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make chicken with mushrooms. The chicken will be crispy and served with a garlicky mushroom sauce. I'm using skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs. They've been washed. Pat them dry on both sides with paper towels. Season the chicken with salt and ground black pepper. Heat up an extra large pan or 2 regular sized pans. You have to fit 6 thighs in a single layer. I'm using 2 cast iron pans because, like most of you, I don't have a big enough pan to fit all 6 thighs. Put just a teaspoon of oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Place the chicken skin side down. You see that more than 3 pieces won't fit in one pan. Leave the chicken to cook for 15 minutes. Don't touch them or move them at all. The skin needs to turn golden brown. The heat should be medium to medium low so the chicken doesn't burn. While the chicken is cooking, we can prep the other ingredients. Slice a large yellow onion. I'm using baby bella mushrooms. Wipe them clean with a damp paper towel. Slice the mushroom into 3 or 4 pieces. They should be thick slices, not thin. Chop up about 6 big garlic cloves. After 15 minutes, turn the chicken over. You see how easily the chicken comes off the pan and it's golden brown. This larger thigh doesn't want to come off, so leave it alone for a few more minutes and then turn it over. Don't force any pieces off that aren't ready. Cook them for 15 minutes on the other side. Medium-sized thighs like this will be cooked in 30 minutes. Larger thighs will take a few more minutes. Now the chicken is cooked. Remove from the pans and set aside. If there's too much oil in the pans, remove some of it. We need just enough to saute the onions in one pan and mushrooms in the other. Sprinkle a little salt over the onions and saute until soft. Sprinkle a little salt over the mushrooms and cook until golden. I'm sauteing the mushrooms in 2 batches. You don't want to overcrowd the pan or they'll steam instead of getting a nice golden color. When the onions are almost done, add the chopped garlic and cook until soft. The first batch of mushrooms look beautiful and have so much flavor from all the chicken drippings in the pan. Remove them and add the second half of the mushrooms. Saute these with a little salt. They cook very quickly. The mushrooms are done. The onions and garlic are done. Put the onions and garlic into the pan with the mushrooms. Pan with the onions have nice crusty bits of flavor on the bottom and we don't want to waste that. Pour chicken stock into the pan and bring to a boil, scraping up all the bits. Pour into the other pan. Add a few sprigs of fresh thyme, a little salt and ground black pepper, apple cider vinegar for acidity. Bring this just to a boil. The liquid is thin and we'll thicken it with some cornstarch mixed with water. Cook for just 1 minute and you'll have the perfect consistency. Taste and add more salt or pepper if you'd like. If you want, you can heat the chicken over the sauce on very low heat, or leave the chicken in a low oven to keep warm while you make the sauce. Since the sauce comes together pretty quickly, the chicken doesn't even have to be heated up. It tastes just fine served at room temperature. Chicken with mushrooms is perfect served over egg noodles because the sauce will coat the noodles nicely. Mashed potatoes also go well with this chicken and mushrooms. I hope you give this hearty dish a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.